Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 crepe makers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best crepe makers. The 5th product on our list is the Elite Gourmet ECP126. Elite Gourmet ECP126 is a 12-inch non-stick crepe maker that allows you to create light, fluffy, restaurant-style crepes without any fuss. It features 5 temperature settings that provide you with precise control to have perfect, consistent results. Its package includes a wooden spatula, spreader, and recipe list. This is an easy-to-use kitchen appliance. It has a power indicator light that lets you know when the plate has reached the optimal temperature. When that happens, it means it's time to spread the crepe batter onto the large aluminum plate. You have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes and your crepe is ready. However, ECP126 can do more things for you than help you make a crepe. You can also use the plate as a griddle. It is perfect for making eggs, bacon, pancakes, blintz, and a wide variety of breakfast foods. Moreover, it is built with rubber feet for added countertop stability. Its pros are: it has several temperature levels. It is made with high-quality material. It is easy to use and clean. And it is versatile. However, the spreader is easy to break. Elite Gourmet ECP126's multifunctional design makes it a worthy investment. You will be able to make the most out of it by making both desserts and breakfast on any day you like. Up next in the 4th place is Chefman Electric. Chefman Electric is the answer to every breakfast's craving. Aside from making crepes, its 12-inch non-stick surface can double as a griddle. It helps you serve up crepes, blintzes, pancakes, eggs, and bacon for you and your family. You can use it any time of the day, whether for breakfast, brunch, lunch, or even dinner. The possibilities are endless with Chefman Electric. You can also use it to toast perfect tortillas for crispy quesadillas or stir-fry vegetables for at-home hibachi. It allows you to control your cooking with ease thanks to its temperature control knob and ready and power indicator light that are all precise and convenient. To use, preheat the pan and wait for the ready indicator light to give you the signal that it is time to spread the batter. Use the free wooden batter spreader and spatula to distribute and experience easy crepe creation. When you are done, all you have to do is wipe the non-stick surface clean. Chefman Electric is also compact so that you can store it anywhere. Its pros are: it is versatile. It has a precise temperature controller. It includes a Chefman Club membership. And it comes with the manufacturer's warranty. However, it takes a while to cook the crepes thoroughly. Crepe makers are not just for crepes and breakfast foods. Take Chefman Electric for example. Its pan allows you to cook a range of foods, from crepes to eggs to vegetables. How's that for versatility? Still haven't found the crepe maker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Le Creuset cast iron pan. Go totally French with Le Creuset cast iron pan. This authentic 10.75-inch French-inspired crepe maker is made of enameled cast iron. The exterior is a colorful, long-lasting enamel, while the interior is a durable black enamel interior. So not only can this kitchen equipment help you cook delicious crepes, but it can also be a nice addition to your kitchen. But the use of enamel is not just for aesthetics and longevity. It also provides the pan with even heating. Le Creuset cast iron pan is designed with an ergonomically angled handle for a comfortable grip away from direct heat. Moreover, it comes with a crepe spatula and spreader that will help you perfect the art of crepe making. This crepe maker is suitable for all stovetops. It is safe to use at any oven temperature too. But remember to use oven mitts or cast iron sleeves to touch it. Though it is a non-stick pan, it is still effortless to clean. It is recommended to hand wash it with warm water and let it dry before storing it. This quality crepe maker comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Make sure to follow the care instructions provided with it to avoid losing this warranty. Its pros are: it is a product with premium quality, it is durable and long-lasting, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. However, it is heavy. If you are looking for a basic crepe maker without many bells and whistles, the Creuset cast iron pan is for you. It does not have any temperature settings or light indicators, but this quality pan will still allow you to create delicious crepes. The second product on our list is the iSiLER Nonstick. The iSiLER Nonstick is a large 12-inch cooking plate that allows you to make perfectly sized crepes and more. It has a 1080-watt high-power output that provides instant heating, so you can also make a flavorful breakfast in just minutes once the plate is heated. You also have full control of the temperature thanks to its adjustable thermostat, letting you cook the crepes just the way you like them. Moreover, it is built with an E-shaped heat pipe that helps distribute heat evenly so that your crepes will be uniformly cooked. Additionally, this crepe maker has overheating protection. Its heating temperature will not go over 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, its intelligent temperature control will prevent any burned crepe or instances of dry cooking. It will help you preserve the nutrients of your food. This kitchen appliance has been certified to meet food safety standards, so there is nothing to worry about. The food-grade aluminum cooking plate guarantees safe and reliable use. Meanwhile, the non-stick surface makes it easy to cook perfect crepes and to clean up after. Its pros are: it comes with a high power output, it has overheating protection, it is easy to clean, and it is versatile. However, the cons are: it does not have a cover, and it has no on and off switch. Nevertheless, cooking crepes has never been this easy. iSiLER Nonstick has all the safety features you will ever need when cooking. Moreover, you can also use it to make eggs, slices of bacon, pizza, steaks, and more. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top crepe maker is the Waring Commercial WSC160X. Waring Commercial WSC160X is a crepe maker capable of handling high demand and commercial use. It has a thick, heavy-duty cast iron that goes along with the durable stainless base with heat-resistant carrying handles that will not require you to wear any kitchen mitt when you need to lift it. Its sturdy and long-lasting design is sure to withstand constant or daily use. With an 1800-watt heating element, WSC160X can heat up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit. But what makes this crepe maker better than others is its ability to perform excellent heat retention and distribution. Because of these features, you can be assured that your crepes will be cooked with even consistency. Moreover, it has a 16-inch pan that allows you to prepare a lot of crepes. This kitchen appliance also comes with a broad temperature range. It has an adjustable thermostat starting from 280 degrees Fahrenheit. These functions are perfect when you are cooking different batter types that may need different degrees of heat. It takes 10 to 20 minutes to heat up depending on the temperature you select. Yes, it is a bit longer, but once the pan is heated up, you will be making crepe after crepe after crepe every 3 to 4 minutes. Its pros are: it is durable, it has a powerful heating element, it is safe to use, it is easy to use and clean, and it is ideal for both home and professional use. However, the cons are: it has no on-off switch, and it requires a bit more counter space. Waring Commercial WSC160X is a reliable and high-quality crepe maker. It is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals. It will surely be worth your money. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.